How to schedule posts on Facebook business profile. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll demonstrate how to not only create a post, but also how to schedule it effectively. So let's begin by navigating to My Business page within the Meta Business Suite that is just in the left hand side of the screen below the Lead Center. Click on it. And upon reaching the left hand side, locate and click on Create Post option that is highlighted in blue color. And as soon as you do that, once selected, you will be presented with a choice to add a photo, a video, or simply write a text. So what we are going to do is click on this Add Photo option and select any photo you would like to post from your device. After uploading the photo, you can add any text you like in this designated area over here, or you can also add emojis or pin the location and more. Writing something in this designated area often enhances the engagement. So moving forward, let's explore this scheduling options by clicking on the designated tab of scheduling options. You can see that it's indicating set date and time over here. Simply toggle this on. And now I'll set the post to be published on 24th April 2024 and I'll set the time to be 12 o'clock. Feel free to adjust the timing as needed. One of the advantages of this platform is its efficiency in scheduling posts. To finalize the process, click on Schedule Now option that is highlighted in blue color over here. Now following this step, you will have the opportunity to boost the post, although we will not be doing so in this instant. So we'll click on Maybe Later. Click on Done, and you will be then directed to the calendar view illustrating your scheduled post. While the calendar may display the upcoming week, ensure that you're still on the current day as indicated. This method simplifies the post scheduling process significantly. I trust that this explanation proves beneficial, and remember to subscribe and like for more content similar to this. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.